Hello guys, welcome to my Adventech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your Windows 10 or Windows 11 randomly freezing or crashing issues. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 randomly freezes or stuck while operating your PC or laptop, then I will show you simple 3 to 4 steps to resolve this issue. The first step is just you need to open your file explorer. You can see here C drive. You need to select your drive in which your Windows operating system is installed. Just right click on that, click on properties, click on the tools. Here you can see error checking. Under this option will check the drive for the following system errors. Just click on check. You can see we haven't found any errors on this device. You can still scan the device for the errors if you want. Just click on scan device. Guys, it will take some time. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Just click on start menu again, then type here cmd, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you have to type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. It will fix all your freezing or hanging or stuck issue of your Windows. It will take some time to complete. After completion of this, just close this window, come to the third option, just click on start menu, click on settings, click on Windows Update. If there is any update pending, just tap on resume update or just update it from here. Before updating, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, just click on resume update, then close this window. After resuming the update, after completion of this update, you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After that, you can try another one method. Just click on start menu again, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security. You can see virus and threat protection. Click on this. You can see current threats. Just you need to click on quick scan. It will take some time to complete this process. After completion of this, all your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 freezing or stuck issue on your laptop or desktop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.